Conditional visibility is now more flexible and easier to manage with support for layouts and value-based conditions. Let's check the improvements and how they work. Layouts now include a dedicated visibility tab alongside Edit, so you can apply conditional visibility to the entirety instead of configuring each element individually. Added is empty and is present operators for more dynamic conditions. All custom fields, including attachment fields, are now supported in the Conditional Visibility dropdown. Let's go over how to configure conditional visibility for entire layouts. Select any layout or element inside the email builder, then open the Visibility tab and enable Conditional Sending. Choose the field you want to evaluate. Select a conditional statement. Set the required value, if applicable, and save. This enables cleaner handling of empty or missing field values, eliminates repetitive rule setup across multiple elements, and makes conditional visibility significantly more powerful. We hope you enjoy it.